Welcome to your favorite program, Buhle Betfu. My name is Nelly Somakanya. We are back here again where we bring you all the amazing things that you can find in the kingdom of Eswatini. I'm sure you will remember back there at home that a couple of weeks back, we took Symphony, who's the princess of music in the country, to Dallas Spaces Malandalas, where we made her to choose her dream outfit that she was going to wear at the Dubai Expo 2020. And one of the things that she got to pick out there was a designer bag by one of our very own designers in the country by the name of Zinhle. So today in the program, we are going to be talking to Zinhle, who will tell us more about her craft and everything that she does. And I'm sure you'll be excited as I am to hear all about it. Let's go.
Rural sebenza ngabomake abaningi kakhulu labandiweaving mhlawumbe story seGondural lesangithinta bengimenda nje bengivakashile kaGondural uthi ibomake bakhathe implate ngaka. Then I came kaGondural 2008 ngithi asengito basita product development because bese ngive story sabo ukuthi bende ama basket but they sticking kuma design akadzende ba solo ba wena. So playing with the design ukuthi ngito basita ka product development batoba naye new basket lamasha abone ukuthi market itoba favor. So ngaleyo knowledge bese senginayo because yabo uma usakhulu uyachubeka ufunze. So i-design vele nje ingimi. I can do a lot like kufanele na weaving mina I can do more than 50 techniques. Like nje angifuni ukwehlulwa ene technique. I try everything every time. So market wise ngiyahlola nalapha ukuthi into leti trend akho then bese semplayer around ngale timfo leti la kithi njengoba uva ukuthi ngikhulele nisenga kunetshani nalokwa nalokwa inspired by the timfo lesinato thina ukuthi asisebenzise tool standard lesiphila kuso nyalo. So that's why mhlambe lamhlanje nila ka Khokho nibuka these bags Khokho waqala 2014 nakhona because bengisebenza Control then masokhula uba nalokucaba ukuthi let me move on ngingemenza wona. So sengibendele ka Control i-design I think leminyaka lesingibasebenzele yona then say decide ukuthi no khona lesingakwenda lokunyelo okungcono so to utimela at some point saqala nge 2014 yes indaba le iqala la sitawendani kumele ukuthi siqhubeke ne-weaving. So ngikhumbula kunesithebe ke i-chopping board yala kaNgwane mina le emuva mhlawumbe ngisengakatali bebasebenzisa yona kuchophela ti-bead nabo in. So yakhe nge-weaving lesithebe invuli ngilomnye incenye etshanda ukutholakala emfuleni yala kaNgwane. So ngayibona imvula ukuthi icine kanganani because ucobela spinach bead in lokumande noma yini ayiboli uyayiwasha uyineke. So kwaba imfo yokucala lesicabanga okay sicabanga sina Philip Patton le besebenza naye ka Control ka product development sesicabanga ukuthi hayi khona lokungcono lesesingadendela khona. So sesiyacanga ukuthi insengiyasithinga ngitshela le story sami naye une story sakhe sebatali bakhe ukuthi gogo wakhe wamsida kanjani. Sesiyahlangana kanjalo ke sithi ke nasi ke sithebe mina sithebe ngiyasathi ukuthi sicine kanganani. Sithebe yimfo lengasasebenzi la kaNgwane like abasayisebenzisi mabanga sayisebenzisi nje seside ivala but singasenda kanjani ukuthi sibuye sibe nevalo khona imfo lesingacanga sesicabanga ukuthi no asende tikhwama asesisibuke lesithebe ukuthi imfo le kanjani sahamba saya ngalantodosi sikhanza lomnyema ke uyasakha lakhe besihamba lamakhaya siphuma singena but sakhanza lomnyema ke asakha bekakha a big piece of this size ungamuta ngathi hawe make lesithebe usithengisaphi uthi-ke emakethe noma sidiscuss ukuthi lithenge but ngisasithengisa nemakethe ukuthi awu ngizama kumchazela ukuthi ngisati kangcono kanjani isithebe asho-ke ukuthi okay ngiyambuza ukuthi imalini uthi 20 rand bese sengithi-ke okay seyinhlanhla sengitosebenzisa bona laba bomake bakha-sithebe so ngithatha because ngeda ema-design ngifuna just a small piece nayi nje lela front njengoba ungujabe kasuke episini lengaka so ngicela ungakhe nayipiece nayi into lesitoyenta-ke make mina utangakhela lesithebe nje ungitshele isikhathi sakho losithethe nangabe sicale nga-8 shothi udocala nga-8 uhlale phasi wakhe lesithebe nangabe sitophela in 5 hours sitovele sibhale isikhathi esiphele ngaso nangabe kunema-break noma yini udosho ukuthi okay ngithathe 30 minutes break ngaphindze ngabuya ngakha lesithebe sami so ngizama ukumfundisa i-time keeping ngaleyo ndlela wasenda sithebe wangitshela ukuthi no sithatha lilanga lokusho ukuthi sithatha 6 hours uthi asicede le small piece le bengimnikete yona so ngabona-ke ukuthi okay nangabe sithatha lilanga then-ke ngiyabuka ukuthi if usithatha lilanga sobe uhleti phasi because kumele ukuthi avaluishe nalesikhathi sakhe ukuthi uhleti waphindza wabuka ndzawonye lokusho ukuthi kumthatha isikhathi ngathi-ke chama ngizosithatha mina nga-90 rand le piece longentele yona but-ke ngifuna ukuthi kutrainwe labanye bomake kuze kuthi bakhe lesithebe iyahlala yendiwe i-training savumelana-ke ukuthi okay kudingingaphi isithebe vele 90 rand ungcono kunalo 20 rand abamthengisa so i-training into lengiyentako-ke ukuthi ngihambe ngitraina nabomake noma ne-youth ngiyayitraina nayo ukuthi ngento umsebenzi etanda so-ke ngilapho-ke sacala khona Khokho then sesivula le group-ke le yasendondozo ukuthi ngiyo leleto sakhela le weaving so sidaboyitraina to any style lesiyifunako ukuthi senziwa njani then batabe sebayasakhela sesikwentile lokho-ke kwaphindze kwasikosa ukuthi okay sifuna kwakhathi leather kahle kahle sicombine with the weaving yethu lesinayo la kaNgwane ngenhlahla lembike kude i-ternary ye-leather kaNgwane kwafuna ukuthi sihambe siyobona i-ternary la singasosa khona i-leather sahamba-ke e-South Africa elingimanenge ama-ternary lesawahamba but ngenxa ye-quality lebesiyifuna saya ePietermaritzburg leather from Hearts i-ternary lenkulu kakhulu lapho so sathokoda sayithola-ke i-leather la singayisosa khona so i-leather sesinayo sekufuna sithenge imishini nayo imishini ikhona la kaNgwane but le mikhulu lesiyidingako ise-South Africa nakhona saphindze futhi sahamba sayofuna imishini sabuya satraina bavula abantu osebenza ku-workshop ngenhlahla lenhle yami ngiyafunga njengoba ngisho ukuthi onke ama-techniques ungedama noma ufuna i-design yempahla noma ini you can come to me ngokuzama ngaya e-MITC ema-students in the upholstery ngayobacela ukuthi yathi ngicela bafabeni la sebacedzile ninginike nje noma babili ngifuna kuba-trainer for something labendi upholstery but nje bafunza bababaningi ngathola a group ngabafundisa then ngathatha le ngibathathako basala labasalako i-team yase-workshop sesinayo i-team ye-weaving senginayo so ngathini sengibhalansile kufuneka emarket tikhoma masetakhiwe utobe zithengiswaphi phela ngeke ihlale nje ukuthi sesitakhile sihlobo sangato so kwafuna ukuthi sicollaborate phinze nalomunye okay ungidesigner yena eNew York usonde kakhulu ku-leather sahamba sakhulumisana naye washo-ke yena ukuthi angaba ne-interest ukuthi asebenzisane naKhokho lokusho ukuthi use-America then eNew York bekasida ngoba yabo masole ngesheya mina ngifiki ngesheya but le khomatamenti yafika khona so yena beketa sibukisa nema-design lesitowenda because nami ngiyasho ukuthi okay nama-design lenginawo abuke ukuthi no ayalunga yini lenesheya sivumelane ngale ngako then i-market-ke sayithola kanjalo ngesheya kanti like bo-US bo-England dinentenza la tiyakhona letikhwama sithebe ngisita kwenta i-branding yaso Khokho ngumbulo mdzala lo mdzalo leti thebe betentiwa bokhokho njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina ngadalwa ngemva kokuthi bekunesithebe ngayibona iphisi yaso but bengakasiboni sona sisebenza kahle but nje ngiyathi ukuthi sithebe sentiwa bokhokho. So ngizama ukuthi ngipromote le weaving ukuthi isuka from generation to generation, so yaqalwa bokhokho thina siyitfola nje isuka le kubokhokho. And nalokuthi-ke le brand iphindze isitela ekubongeni ku-appreciate umsebenzi wabantu abadala lebawentile, kusifundisa nje tintfo letiningi abazange bayilahla i-culture yabo, kungakho solo sime ngayo nalamhla lo. Lokusho ukuthi Khokho-ke usuka lapho i-brand lethi Khokho, on top of lelo gama lelithi Khokho ngumuntu lomdala. Leti khomate futhi icinile, I can say 50 years guarantee utobe solunaso lesikhwama lesi. Sitophathwa ngowesiphathwa bamba bakho batukulu because most phathwa siyakukhathatha uyasibeka. Tofika nemfana akho mhlawumbe uyosithanda naye asithathe. Naye siyomdzina because sakhiwe in a way yokuthi asigugi. Emalendela ngisebenze khona njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngiqale eGondral, so sengiyathi ukuthi timpho bantu abaningi bahambela kuba nemicimbi lentiwa kubo bushfire naboluju manje imicimbi lentiwa, so sengiyathi ukuthi lana ibusiness iyavuma nakhona. So kuna nababo restaurant la kungena abantu ba international nalaba local but bangena babe baningi bani, so uyayibuka lendzawo la utobeka khona nje lesitolo sakho ukuthi yabo la. And bamfu lokunye because sisebenzisa tintfo tefutala kangwane lekufana netshani mhlawumbe longeke ucabanga ukuthi ngenda tintfo leti ku-standard lesisetulu kaso. And mawubuka nje le price yale tintfo labanye baye bathi hawu singaba i-price yana kangwane lesikhwama lesi, but because ngule ndlela lesakhiwe ngayo si-unique nje ngokuthi uyasibona nawe. Lesikhwama lesakhiwe ngahalbhoma, ngihalbhoma nje lona udayiwe. Halbhoma-ke wethu sakha ngawo macasi, sakha ngawo titsha, sakha imbo lecinile nje lento. Sakhiwe ngahalbhoma, ngetulu kwahalbhoma lesi kusebenzisa kokuna nayihoni luphombo nalo lu eda something leti khwama tetfu. Lokusho ukuthi kwethu nje konke kwakhiwe ngetintfo lesisebenzisa la. I-tag yethu nje lebhalwe Khokho iyakhiwe ngehoni, naku kwekufasa kwakhiwe ngehoni. Ngihalbhoma lo, I'm proud of lo msebenzi wami nami. So uphindze futhi kube khona lo munye lo tohamba nayo ayolayela abantu labanye ekhashana ukuthi tikhona tintfo leti setulu la kangwane. Angese ngisho ukuthi ama-competitors ethu yini, but nje I remember ema-brands afana naboGushi kadzeni bengathi ukuthi bongci, but mina I feel like ngetulu I'm on top of them. Ngale ndlela lengi-proud ngayo ngalo msebenzi. And kuye kungijabulise kakhulu kubona liswati lijabulela bungilobalo, like ngiyathi chapha ngalokho. Khokho siyamthola ka-Facebook, siphinde simthola ka-Instagram. Uya ku-website yethu ithi www.khokhocollections.com.
I hope you had an amazing time seeing what Zinhle had to say about her designs and everything that she does. And I hope that you will also be able to support her. As you all know that this time around, with everything that has happened in the country, we are saying to you, support local talent, support everything that people are doing right here in the country, because business now is all about us. Right now, we will take a short break, and when we come back from the break, we'll be going to Edlandleni restaurant. Stay tuned. Sikwemukele futhi mbukeli ehlelweni lwakho Buhle Betfu loluyintsandvokati yakho lapha ekhaya. Edlandleni restaurant basimemile singibuhle bethu ukuthi besingeta sitobona kudla labakuphekako lokwadi wena mbukeli ukuthi Edlandleni uvume ngako kudla kwethu lesinako lakhaya kwemvelo noma ke kudla kwesintu. Kepha ke kulomcimbi bebasimeme kiwo lo bekuyingqophamlando ukuthi lokudla kwesintu bekuphekwe ngesitayela saseNdiya. Lela khona commissioner waseNdiya bekunguye lobeka wabambile vele emabhodo bakhona ukuthi basinike lokudla lokumnanzi lesiku udlile khona lapho. Ngethemba ukuthi utawujabulela ukubona newe ukuthi umsebenzi uhambe kanjani. Asambe.
konke lokho kukhula la kaNgwane. Konke lokho kusetshenziswa ubomake nabosisana. So akucabange nje masingenda lento abathi ngesilungu commercialize it. Lo mnotho utawuthi asi abuyele le emakhaya. Abantu bangeke bahamba bagijimela ama-factory bafuna umsebenzi wa-900. Mina ngenyanga lana imbuya ngisebenzisa yama-1,000. Konke nje uyabona sekuthuthukile kancane kwanyalo njengaloku inkakha ishubaba umlotha womhlaba wenhlaba. Okay. Lana ummbila wesintu nalo ummbila wesintu lelinye libhontshisi lelinye libhontshisi lelinye libhontshisi lelinye libhontshisi engabe silambeleni lapha kiso. Hawu Nkosi yami, ngamabele amabele anempilo kwendumbila. Sibhizi manje sithuthukisa amabele. Litiye la kaNgwane lelithi Swazi, one type another type. Of course ngipatata siyamati. Inkakha, imbuya, umngomeni wala kaNgwane awubona ukuthi muhle kanjani. But mawuye Pick n Pay ubona ukuthi mubi kanjani. Let's say import. Amaswati akhona akulinywa khona nabo Pick n Pay batofunda kuthenga from the Swazi. Indlovu kude libhontshisa emhlabeni lelimnanzi njengelijuku. Loko umntwana se-African Papa. Loko is another special because sayohlanyelwa yabona ngamatapane khona amaswati awathi. And impilo lana kuleli tapane. Tapane is about 11,000 years old. Yeah. I forgot to tell you. Amabele 5,000 years old. Sasidla amabele kungakangeni ummbila wesilungu.
So today India is celebrating Ayurveda Day. Ayurveda is science of health. It's an ancient tradition of India which is a emphasis on food for health. So this is Ayurveda Day. Ayurveda for nutrition is what I'm celebrating today. So when I met with Mage Dolores and she spoke of the same thing, she spoke of bringing back the traditional food into the system in Eswatini. So that struck a chord with me and I thought we should do something together, to collaborate and do something together. So that's what today happened. This is how today happened. So we today try to highlight all your traditional food cooked in two different ways. One in your local style and one in Indian style. And then we brought in again a group of people who are my friends and a group of people who are Mage Dolores' friends. So that we can have a real India-Eswatini collaboration. And that's what happened today. They seem to have thoroughly enjoyed it. I went around and spoke to everybody practically. And all of them very much appreciated the combination of the two. And they said it was a very good idea. My diplomatic colleagues who were here were very appreciative. And perhaps in the future we can collaborate, and perhaps while talking to you, an idea is coming into my head that why not have one dish each from all the countries who are being represented here in Eswatini and bring in a local food and use the traditional local vegetables and the local wealth of traditional food which you have. Use that and make it into another event. So perhaps I'll do that very, very soon. I chose one of the items which I wanted to highlight for you was goat is very appreciated by all of you, isn't it? So we said goat curry, we make it in the local style, and we make it in India, we call goat is called mutton. So mutton curry we made with all the Indian spices. I hope all of you liked it. Then I chose your butternut. Butternut is one of your staple dishes. Wherever I have been to, I have always come across butternut here. And the butternut, you eat it in the way of cooking and baking it, I think. So in my style, I cooked it. I come from the southernmost part of India, which is the state of Kerala. And in Kerala, being a coastal region, we use coconut in our food. So here I cooked the butternut very lightly and seasoned it with coconut and green chilies to give it the spice. So I think all of you liked it. So that's one of the dishes we did. And then what we did was we made the rice in our style as a biryani, as a vegetable biryani. And then the other staple food of yours is pap. You always have pap with your food. So I have made my own variation of pap. What I do is I make a roti, chapati out of pap. So I did that so that you get an idea of both. And another dish which I tried today was sweet potato is another common dish in your country. And you usually eat it again boiled and, perhaps cinnamon. So I tried a chips out of it. I cut them fine and fried them to give you another taste of. And I also prepared a drink for you, an emasi drink, emasi with again spices. Indian food we cannot remain without spices. So we added green chilies and ginger and salt and a little bit of asafoetida to it, and we made a drink of it. And all of you appreciated it very well. So I think it was a successful collaboration and combination. I'm looking forward to doing it again.
My name is Nelly Somakanya. Do continue watching your favorite program, Buhle Betfu. Signing out. Take care.